Hey Krishna. So this is Navneet and I welcome you to Vyasa Astro channel. 24th February 2024, Magha Purnima, a full moon day. Very, very auspicious, and I would like you to do only four things today and you can change tons of things in your life. First thing, this day is extremely auspicious and the night as well. It is said in the classics that in the Magha Purnima, all the devis and devatas, they come for a brahman. They come on the earth and see, all the auspicious activities done by, the humans here, the human race here. And it is very, very auspicious. So if you can donate something today, a lot of people, I know a lot of my students are fasting today, and it is very, very auspicious if you have afflicted moon in your horoscope, you have a debilitated moon, or you have a moon with Rahu or Ketu or Saturn or in the Dushtana Bhavas, it is an excellent day to fast. That's point number one. But on the same time, if you donate today, if you can donate some food, like maybe, wheat flour or some ghee or some sweets to a Brahmin in a temple, that will be extremely auspicious. Any good karma, any good charity done today is extremely, extremely auspicious and it will be counted, it will be highlighted in the prarabdha that you did it today. I would also request you to, help and motivate people around you because that is also one kind of a charity that you do through your vacham. Vacham means the way you speak and help others, motivate others, and remain positive. This is known as vacham sukha. Vacham sukha means giving happiness to others through your, through your words, and this is one of the biggest charities. So I would suggest you that is one that you do, is to donate food to Brahmins today. Also try to fast. The third one is that you should, talk to people, because moon is all about mind, and it's about relaxing and helping rejuvenate. So when you help others, you sit with someone and try to talk and try to motivate or try to show the path to someone, is also one of the remedies of the Chandra. On the same time, when you see a moon in the night today, and take a ball of milk, right? It should be a raw milk, okay? It should not be boiled. Even if you're in Western part of the world, Canada or America, whatever milk you get, usually you get cow's milk, it is pasteurized, that's okay. Take a ball of milk and give arga to the Chandra, the way we give jala to the Surya. So just give arga to the Chandra in the night. And there's one mantra that I would like to give you today is Om Namo Narayanaya. This is the mantra for today. As much you can chant, that you can do one mala, two mala, three malas, or 20 malas, or 32 malas. It will be fantastic, right? Om Namo Narayanaya. You can easily find this mantra on YouTube. And when you sleep tonight, put this mantra on your side and let it play. Let it play for an hour or 2 hours and try to connect, deeply with this mantra to get the blessings of Vishnu and Mahalakshmi. Trust me, there'll be a lot of prosperity for at least 1 month until we have another Purnima coming next month. But if you do these three, four things today, which is Vacham Sukha, donation of the food in a temple, in a church, in a Gurudwara, or to the Brahmins, right? And fasting is something, and Om Namo Narayanaya. Just do it and, enjoy this bliss which is there in the environment today. I'll come again. Till then, Hare Krishna.